What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a border to a shape in Canva PC. So the first thing that we need to do is to add an element to the blank. So to do that, all you have to do is to click on elements and then shapes. Here we can choose from a variety of shapes. For this tutorial I'm going to use the triangle shape. We're going to make it red and a little bit bigger, and to add a border all you have to do is to click on stroke style, and now we have to select the type of border that we want to apply for our shape, and we can increase the size of it or decrease the size of it. Also we can change the color, so let's make it yellow. And as you can see, we just added a border to a shape in Canva PC. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.